Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. Yes, you would never believe where I am, guys. I am up in the cool hills of St. Andrew. Yes, guys, I am visiting a Jamaican painter, Heather Sutherland Wade from Art House, Jamaica. Yes, guys. I am visiting her beautiful garden. So, if you want to see what's in this beautiful garden, just stay tuned. Guys, I am up in the hills overlooking Kingston and St. Andrew and just admiring the picturesque view from up in the hills. You are visiting with me a garden with a difference. Yes, the owner of this garden is a painter. She's an artist, guys, who since COVID-19 has been spending most of her time painting and just enjoying what nature has to offer her in this beautiful environment. I don't know about you guys, but I am surely loving the view, and I love to view things from the top of the hill. Now, this is the entrance to her beautiful home. Just look at how attractive the entrance to her home is, guys. Decorating the walkway with some beautiful plants. Yes, guys, these plants are the Bromeliad plants, and they skillfully hug the rocks, creating some lovely clusters, just depicting different colors. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And this is along her driveway. Isn't this a beauty, guys? Yes, this is along her driveway, making her entrance just so inviting, so attractive, so beautiful. I tell you, in her yard, she has different areas with different features, and that is what makes her garden so interesting and just so beautiful. There is this tree which she adorns with a variety of bromeliads. Yes, guys, and it is such a lovely feature in her yard. Just look at it. It is located close to her deck, and oh, how beautiful that must be when she's entertaining her guests and just admiring the beautiful view of Kingston and St. Andrew from above. This is another area, guys, where she has her bird feeder, as well as some things that she has repurposed. Have you recognized what she used to make the roof of this bird feeder, guys? Yes, it's actually an old license plate. Here is a close-up view of the plants under the tree, guys. Isn't that a beauty? Yes. Just look at how she incorporated the broken clay pot in the midst of the bromeliad bed. Oh my God, isn't that a beauty, guys? Looky here, a few orchids in the tree. Yes, guys. This is another area where various features are beautifully laid out. Gosh, I think we are in Bromeliad heaven. Don't you think so, guys? Oh my God. We have some orchids here mounted. Here are some phalaenopsis, dendrobiums, and some Vanda orchids. Just look at this set of bromeliad, how beautifully clustered they are, mounted on this tree. Oh my God, it is just so beautiful, and I am just loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. This corner, guys, I call the driftwood corner because it's layered with driftwood of various sizes, various shape, and just displaying in between the rocks. And of course, some bromeliad will have to be there because remember, we are in Bromeliad Haven. I am now entering her front entrance, and just look how lush and rustic it is. Of course, she has a beautiful cluster of Vanda orchids. Yes, just look how beautiful and healthy they are. Oh my gosh, yes, I have not seen an ID, but nevertheless, they are just lush, beautiful, and just nice and inviting. Of course, the front entrance is also decked out with the dominant plant of our garden. And you can guess what that is, I'm sure. Yes, guys. Of course, the colorful, beautiful bromeliads. The bromeliads are planted on the ground, but they are also in hanging baskets, doing very well, and also mounted. Look at this, guys. This one is actually mounted in a old scale bucket. Yes. Can you imagine? She is just so creative, and now you're seeing the artist coming out in the layout in her garden. Alongside the bromeliads are some orchids, and there's this Browtonia orchid right there. But guys, isn't this a spectacular garden? I am sure you would have enjoyed being here with me, or just enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed it. Looking at this, guys, from another angle and taking a wider view of things. Just look here, her brick walkway to the back, which is actually very close to her deck. Yes, guys, and the entire area is just so enticing, so colorful, so nicely laid out. When you look at how she uses the stones, the orchids. Here we have another Vanda orchid to the back, which is very close to her deck, and this one is actually in bloom, and it is similar to the one she has at the front. This other area, guys, if you notice, it is lush and green, and then above that you will find the bromeliads that are hung. So you see, guys, her garden is just so compact, so colorful, so different, and just so beautiful. Another view of the front, guys. When you look here, this is her front entrance. Just how rustic it is. Yes, guys. And of course, her dominant plant is just everywhere on the compound. Yes, and they just know how to put on a splendid show. Just the leaves, they are not blooming, you know, but the leaves and so forth just gives this nice pop. Here she has the lady of the night, and guys, her lady of the night is laden in blooms. Can you imagine what that is going to look like when it opens up? Let me just show you it from another angle. Just look at the amount of buds coming out from it, guys. Can you imagine when all of that open? Oh my God, it is going to be a sight to behold. Just so beautiful, really beautiful. Look at this. This is actually a clay pot with a succulent plant just hanging from it, like it is being thrown out of it. And isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God. You can see the creative mind of an artist at work. This is an enchanting garden, a garden that is full of art, a garden that is full of features, and a garden that is dominated by bromeliad plants. Wonderful garden. I really enjoyed this visit, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it too. Yes, as I said earlier, guys, she is actually a painter, and so she also paints flowers. Yes, guys, and her paintings are available for sale. So I am going to put her information in the description box below, where you can find her on Instagram and you can reach out to her. Just a reminder, her name is Heather Sutherland Wade, and she is from the Art House, Jamaica. Yes, guys, please give her some love and give her some support. And when you reach out to her, just tell her you learned about her from the Orchid doc. Yes, guys. So, as we overlook St. Andrew and just enjoy the picturesque view, if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.